Fun and functional, these are chomping chopsticks with biting action. Take a bite out of your lunch with Munchtime Chopsticks. They make every meal jawsome. Clever design, the shark opens and closes its mouth as you squeeze the easy-to-use, hinged chopsticks. They're perfect for kids, or adults, who are trying to learn how to use chopsticks. Meals made easy, Munchtime Chopsticks provide entertainment that helps even the fussiest eaters make it though a meal. Mix it up with Munchtime. Quality materials, all Munchtime Shark Chopsticks are made of durable, food-safe ABS plastic. The reusable style is a great, and environment-friendly alternative to traditional bamboo chopsticks. Great for gifting, Munchtime Chopsticks make a great stocking stuffer or an addition to an animal-themed party. These are a must-have gift for any shark lover. Kids and adult alike. Take a bite out of your lunch with Munchtime Chopsticks. They make every meal jawsome. The mighty shark opens and closes its mouth as you squeeze the easy-to-use, hinged chopsticks. They're perfect for kids, or adults, who are trying to learn how to use chopsticks. All Munchtime Chopsticks are made of durable, food-safe ABS plastic. Munchtime Chopsticks provide entertainment that helps even the fussiest eaters make it through a meal. Mix it up with Munchtime. Top reviews from the United States. Non-removable head is good for very little kids. I bought a set of chopsticks for my 2-year-old, but they had a removable cat at the top, so of course giving him the chopsticks just resulted in him constantly ripping the cat off and then crying that his chopsticks didn't stay together anymore. Turns out that's the standard child chopsticks arrangement. It took a lot of searching to find child chopsticks that were one single piece, where the chopsticks weren't just stuck into a silicone topper. These were perfect and totally fit the bill. They're super fun with the shark mouth opening and closing, and there's no way the kid can separate these.